Alright guys, I am getting ready to do a magnolia wreath for our front door, so I'm going to clip down some of the magnolia branches, and I'm not going to lie, I just tried to do it and I did it completely wrong, so I got halfway through and I decided to start over, but I think I figured out how to do it properly and I will film the whole thing. Alright, here's what you need. A 16-inch metal wreath wire, I guess we'd call it. I got mine from Michael's. I think it was only, like, I want to say maybe $5.99. I got clippers. This will also cut the metal, the wire. Fiona, can you stop? Ugh. This will cut the wire, but it'll also clip down the sweet magnolia leaves. We're not touching the flowers. They're just so beautiful, but we're not touching them. And then some wire. So I also got this from Michael's. It's called green floral wire. And I don't know, this one is 190 feet. It was literally $2.99 for this entire pack. So pretty cheap. All right, let's cut some magnolia branches down. Now that I watched the other tutorial, I have a better idea what to do here. So first you want to start with kind of a bulky magnolia. And the trick and where, oh God, okay, not that one. There we go. And where I went wrong the first time is that I was trying to wire just the stem, but you actually want to start wiring the leaves, because otherwise you're going to end up with a wreath that's like this, and that is exactly what I have. So by wiring the bottom of the leaves, then at least you start having a better angle. Wow, I caught that. And we're back. Okay, so let's try this. So she was going around, I'm like squishing it, I don't know if this is right. Like here, we'll start a little loop. And oops, wrong way. She was just like, of course I'm like going the wrong direction here. How tight? I don't know how tight this should be. I'm gonna go a little tighter. Okay. Oh yeah, my first part was like way too loose. Let's see if I can tighten that. Now we start like, gosh, I can clip this, it's a little too long. Now we start piling them on, I guess. I think it'll get easier, right? we have a camera on our front door, and now I kind of just want to watch people come face to face with this wreath and see their reactions. Could be entertaining. I need to rotate here. Oh, it's heavy. Let's hope this is it. Yeah, I do have to put a small little piece here. Oh no, actually I don't need to hang it. Never mind. Never mind. We already have a screw on our door, so I'll be able to hang it. Let's rotate. Okay. I just need like, this one came out. Or maybe this one maybe wasn't in there. Maybe just, I don't know, can this be the last one? Oh, I might just need one. I think I need one more. Okay, one more big one. Okay. This one, this is a big boy. Although the leaves are kind of all crazy. Try it. Yeah, I think this will do it. Now this is tricky. Now I'll be honest, I didn't get to the end of the video where it says how you seal it up or like twist the wire to end it, but you know what? Figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to unravel a little bit more here. And to do this, I'm just gonna twist it a bunch of places on the wire probably. I don't know if you can see this. Oh god. But I'm gonna just wrap it around. Seems legit. And then maybe I'll stick this little guy in here somehow. Right, there you go. Okay. Oh, I mean, shit. Not bad. Okay. Let's go hang it on the door.
thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make this magnolia wreath, because it's really not a tutorial video because I had no idea what I was doing. But if you enjoyed this content, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to make some more content for wedding pros, and every so often a little bit of my personal life with some DIY projects and just fun adventures. All right, we'll see you next time.